Hi, good morning. It's November 13th, a Thursday, and I can see myself in the camera that I have this excited, giddy look on my face. So I have to calm myself down because interesting weather is happening. Now, when I say interesting, there are warnings in operation and there is a significant weather event coming. So if you feel that your property or indeed yourself is vulnerable to the weather scenarios that we're lining up over the next few days, please get your weather forecast and your warnings from the official websites online from your National Weather Service. That's where you'll find the detail. I'm here to give a little bit more of an explanation as to what's happening as opposed to the details that might affect you personally. So what we have is a large anticyclone moving southwards from the north, extending high pressure and a cold air mass from the north. So that's a meteorological situation. At the same time, there's a low pressure system. Now, the low pressure system is the one associated with the rain, is the rising air and the associated weather fronts. That's coming from the south. Now, we've been saying over and over again, warm air from the south holds more moisture, so it's bringing rain. But it's trying to move northwards as this anticyclone is pushing southwards, which means there's going to be a clash and it's happening directly over Ireland. And we've got wind as well as rain because we've got the isobars starting to squeeze up and line up right over the country. We've got an easterly wind coming across the country during tomorrow, Friday, which will be bitter across eastern parts of the country and a strong wind too. And at the same time as that, we've got heavy rain, and the rain can't move northwards because it's pushing into that anticyclone. So it's really going to pile up. We've got an orange level warning in operation for parts of the east coast over the course of Friday. Now, eventually it's going to get kind of killed out by the subsiding air of the anticyclone. The anticyclone is going to win out over this battle over Ireland. But tomorrow, Friday, a significant weather day. So do keep an eye on the official weather forecasts coming out of the National Weather Service. For the rest of the outlook, you can look at my video from yesterday, high pressure winds. In the satellite picture here, you can see those winds coming from the north. You can tell it's windy just from the satellite picture because there's open cell convection over the sea. So there's going to be showers coming down on that flow, but it's going to be a cold air mass, so there won't be convection over land. So the showers will be confined to coastal areas. So we've got a mostly dry week ahead. After we get through tomorrow, Friday, it'll start to dry out as that high pressure builds. It's going to get cold. The temperature's going to fall steadily through the week, but it doesn't look like it's going to get so significantly cold. It's not a Siberian high, it's not Scandinavian high, and it's not going to win out eventually. Temperatures will start to rise again at the end of the week. Sinead, Longport.